Okay, welcome to our Mathematics 7 class. So for today's lesson, we have a Venn diagram. So some applications of Venn diagram. For example, number 1, using the numbers 0, 1, 2, and then what do we call these three dots again? Alright, that is an ellipsis. Up to 9. So illustrate the sets. So we have, let's say, two sets, set A and then set B. So for set A, we have 4, 7, 9. For set B, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, so first we can illustrate the given sets using a Venn diagram. Okay, how are we going to draw? First, again, let's go back to our rectangle. Let's name it as set U. So this time, let's take a look at the given two sets. Okay, so let's check first if they have a same element. If they have the same element. So we have, okay, let's say first we have this set A and then set B for the another circle. Okay, so we have 4 in set A and then we also have 4 as an element for set B. Therefore, we can write number 4 since they have common or both 4 as an element in the middle, in the overlapping part or in the overlapping portion doon sa nagpatong sa kanila sa gitna ng dalawa. Okay? Because we have, again, the same element which is 4. Okay? Now, next, how about if we're going to write next letter the elements of set A? So since this time we have the remaining numbers 7 and 9 for set A, 7 and 9. Okay, so we can write it inside this circle at the left. Okay, and that is the circle of set A. And then for, how about set B? Okay, for set B, we have those numbers, those elements, 1, 2, 3, and then 5. So we have those remaining numbers. Therefore, we can write it, alright, in the circle of set B, okay, in the right circle. So now that, alright, we have, okay, the remaining numbers, 0, 8, 6. So why? Let's check at the given condition. Numbers from 0 to 9. So we have already the numbers or the elements of set A and set B. And then 0, 8, 6 is not included or are not included. Therefore, we're going to write 0, 8, 6 inside this rectangle, whatever part or whatever portion you want to place them, but not inside the two circles. Okay, so that is how are we going to place numbers or letters inside a Venn diagram. Okay, example number 2. How about this given Venn diagram? I have already a Venn diagram together with the numbers, together with the elements, and then we have two circles, two sets, A and then B. And what kind of relationship is this one? Okay, this is a disjoint set because they are not overlapping. Okay, give the elements of the following set. So first, let's move on to set A. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8 because those numbers is included in the given circle, in the yellow circle. Okay, and don't forget to write braces and then commas. Okay, how about for set B? How are we going to write the elements for set B? Alright, we have 1, 3, 7, 9. Okay. 1, 3, 7, 9. So again, don't forget braces and commas. And then for universal set U, let's combine the elements of set A and set B together with the elements inside the rectangle. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8 for set A, and then 1, 3, 7, 9, 5 for set B, and then 5 and 10 inside the rectangle. So we have all those elements for the universal set. Okay. Next, example number 3. So this time we have right letters as the elements. So they this time we have two circles that is overlapping. First, let's have the elements of set E. So let's take a look at the color blue circle. We have A, B, F, G, C, H. So those are the elements in set A. For set F, we have D, E, I, C, H for the pink circle. Okay, so those are the elements of set F. And for set U, again, let's combine two the elements of the two circles together with the rectangle. Okay, we have A, B, F, C, H, and then D, E, I, and then plus K, and then J. So now let's take a look at letter C and then H. Again, we have both set E and set F. They have both C and H as their elements. Therefore, again, in writing elements, just remember the term distinct. Okay, only once. You're going to write the elements only once. Okay, that's why we have C and then H as one.